Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list and I will use this one provided by Google. So let me tap on it and here let's find the contact you'd like to customize. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact here and tap on this camera icon. And as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can set, either pick the option to take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it and here you can decide where you want to complete this action. So I will pick the gallery. Let me tap on it and here we have to find the photo we would like to use. So let me pick this option. And here again we have to decide where we want to crop the photo. So let me pick Google Photos this time. Of course give all the permissions if you're doing it for the very first time. And as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. We can make it smaller or larger. What's more, we can zoom in or out the photo. We can change the position of it. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is simply responsible for it. We can of course rotate the picture. It's up to you how you want to set it. And if you are happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it will appear right here in this camera icon place. So just remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been applied successfully. What's more, after getting back to the contacts, you will be able to see it on the contact list. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.